In an orthodontic office, the orthodontist is important, but the team's more important probably than the orthodontist. And I have a great team. They have a passion for taking care of the patient.
Here at our office, we all work together as a group. We have a great time changing lives and changing smiles.
I have one team member, Stacy. She's been with me from day one. We started on the first day together.
I love seeing a smile transform from somebody who never smiled before to they can't stop smiling. And now I'm seeing kids and grandkids of patients when I first started. So I'm seeing 3 generations.
She's fabulous. You know, I couldn't do it without her, but the whole team's fabulous.
We have an awesome staff. We have all different personality types, but that's what makes life interesting.
We're more than just coworkers, we're friends and we're family. I actually started working when I was in high school, but my mom worked for Dr. Berth prior to that. So I think I went on my first business trip with them when I was 9 to California.
They know the patients by name, they know their outside interests, and this is the most important. They want to learn, and anytime we learn a new technology and it looks like it'll be beneficial for the patient, they want to learn as much as they can about it because they like helping these patients and they get excited.
She is 2 steps ahead of ahead. We will try anything once and see how it does, but she is definitely always 2 steps ahead of everything.
The thing I love most about Dr. Berth is that she is a great businesswoman. She cares about her patients, and she's totally out-of-the-box thinker.
She's energetic and go, 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 and so is the rest of the staff. Whatever she knows, she wants everyone to be part of it, and I enjoy that.
Because the team's been with us so long, it allows us to expand our horizons and take care of the patient and take care of the entire patient for total health.
Patients become family because when they start treatment, they start 24 months in treatment, some of them 18 months, so you get to see them every 8 to 10 weeks. And a lot of times we have repeated families come back, we'll do the parents, and then 10, 12 years later, here they come back with their kids.
My favorite thing has to be just the transformation of the patients. We have seen so many patients that come in here kind of hide their smile, but then when they get their braces off, it's amazing. Personality-wise and everything, they change.
And so that's why we get excited about what we do. And it makes it fun for us to come to work every day.